Welcome back. We're going to show off new ABB style team here with Gallade on the lead. We're going to have that into a Azumarill. Really good matchup for us actually because the Leaf Blades are going to do super effective damage. He's going to let that one go through, and then I'm going to have to respect whatever move by using a shield here to keep the Gallade alive. I get a little bit more energy on it before I switch into the Clodsire. From here, I'm just going to let the Leaf Blades come through and try and get shields with the Sludge Bombs. Once I throw this, I do get the first shield from them, which is big, and then they beat me with the CMP tie there to take out the Clodsire before I can do the Sludge Bomb. I come in immediately with Gallade and throw close combat and switch out to Weezing to get the farm down on the Azumarill. Now they come in with Obstagoon, which is a weird matchup, and they don't decide to shield the Play Rough, which is really big. I just want to keep as much health on this guy, so I use my last shield. I know I can get to these Brutal Swings super quickly, which will ultimately win the game for me.